Here's our sunshine. Yeah.
So I was thinking maybe we can just with that basket.
And that's the total you see also here. It is growing, it's rice, and they are growing a little bit.
Avalanche is using Gross Moor National Park, and it's not labeled here, but there's one in that.
It's together with the Norwegian mountain range.
With a slight increase, I think it's quite stable. We just have this 3 years above the mean that gives the trend. This
so they don't want to end up in avalanche terrain at all. They have
7 times in this 10-second window, it is able to show us what has the pattern recognition algorithm detected here. It has detected.
Demanded by the consumer and not so much by rescuers. Another unit, and you wear them both. And it doesn't transmit because there's motion. As soon as motion stops in the find search, and we want to get real feedback or different, goes into this thing. And any beacon that's enabled with PEEP's software technology show you a safe time scheme. Second to that, my job is to show you a really good time scheme. That priority never changes. Just like rebooting a PC, on and off. That erases the mark, and I get to find the strength. So driving around in the van or flying around the helicopter, all those hazards are listed on here.
Each of these events is a transmitter. Practical problems of deep burials. We are standing here now on the top of a big cave which is 5 meters below an indication. In this moment I have no idea if burial depth is shallow or high. You follow me? 9, 7, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 9, 8, 8.
If it's not there, then it just missed the cave, yeah.
Is it pro? Send it down again.
I'll grab your ankles if you get stuck.
As well here, there's no distinct maximum. Huh?
The person behind me is going to start to move the snow back here and start to move the snow that I start.
I will tell you. The one side to Norway and Sweden and Slovenia and France, and I hope everyone had an opportunity to.
I have just one chairlift.
Cowboys here, because Hallsville Street is not paid for yet.
Air search and rescue is done by the military, the Canadian Forces. So any sort of downed plane or helicopter, that search and rescue is run by the military.